Are your jointer cuts leaving snipe, or is your stock not coming out perfectly square? It's probably time to change those blades. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the precise, millimeter-accurate process I use in my shop to install new jointer knives. This isn't just about putting them in, it's about balancing them perfectly so your wood comes out glass smooth and perfectly 90 degrees every single time. First, safety first, always disconnect the power. I've cleaned the cutter head slots completely. You see here, I have my fresh chrome vanadium CRV knives ready. These specific steel blades are known for their durability. Let's get the first one set. Now, to get that perfect, consistent height across the entire knife, you need a reference tool. You can buy these commercial setting jigs, which are excellent and often magnetic for ease of use. Alternative, DIY tip. If you don't have this exact tool, you can precisely mill a hard block of wood to the correct height specification. The goal is the same. The tool provides a solid reference plane to compress the knife to the perfect depth. As I apply firm, downward pressure with the setting jig, I'm slowly tightening the gib screws, moving from the center screw outwards. This locks the blade securely in place without distorting it, ensuring it stays parallel to the machine's tables. Method A. Marking the table. Here is a great secondary check to confirm your height is balanced from end to end. I make a fine pencil mark on my in-feed table, aligned exactly with the end of my reference block. Now, when I slowly rotate the cutter head, the blade will catch the block and advance it forward. You measure this distance. If the knife is set correctly, this movement should be absolutely identical on both the left and right sides of the cutter head. If one side moves further, that side is set too high. Method B. The test cut. This is the absolute test. With the new blades installed, we are making a full jointing pass. The sound should be consistent, and the feed smooth. The resulting edge must be clean, free of ripples or chatter marks. Finally, the definitive check. We place a precision machinist square against the new face. As you can see, we have achieved a perfect gap-free 90-degree angle. Millimeter accuracy means your joinery will be flawless. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe for more technical woodworking content. Thanks for watching.